Welcome to the channel. So this is part 3 of my Ender Resurrection series, and I'm super happy to say that my part finally came in from China. I think it took like 5 weeks to get here, but it finally did, and I was so excited I installed it and went right away to printing a cube, because I've had this thing for a while now, about 2 months, and I've never seen it print. So here we go. This will be the last of the Ender Resurrection series. From here on out, they'll just be Ender 6 videos. I have a couple in mind already on different firmwares and a couple of upgrades that I plan on doing. Obviously running Clipper on this. But I'm giving it stock once over, and we'll see how well it does. Like I said, I'm super excited to see how this one actually turns out. So let's give it a bit to warm up. This is the original Creality firmware. Again, super excited. Can't wait to see how well this thing does, or how bad this thing does. I guess we'll find out in a couple of minutes. So sit tight. Well, we're actually printing at this point. I used Cura, the latest Cura, and the Ender 6 profile to slice this Cali dice. It's an interesting little print. It's not set for speed, that's for sure. So, but I'm not hearing any weird noises. Everything's moving the way that it should be moving. It homed great. Had to adjust the height of our stop for our Z-axis, but other than that, it was ready to go. So hopefully it'll turn out nice. Let's see. All right, so the print is just about done. It looks okay. Something's not quite right, but it looks all right. I'm getting some weird ghosting. Not quite sure what exactly is causing that. There we go. This thing makes you wait. It's just going to take it all the way to the bottom. But I mean, it worked okay. I mean, hey, it printed, so all's well that ends well, right? Again, I couldn't be happier with the results of this thing. Thought I might be in for a nightmare, but it's not too bad at this point. But let's look at this Cali die. Printer works great. Get this off of here. It's on there. Yeah, that doesn't look too great. It doesn't look bad. Kinda. Definitely doesn't look great. If I can hold on to it. Yeah, that looks horrible. That's the top. And the bottom doesn't look great either. You can see that. Yeah, it shouldn't look like that. Something up with the extruder maybe. Well, at least it printed, so yay for that. Okay, so I found that this printer, for whatever reason, the flow settings for this filament were incorrect. So I had to raise those up, which is kind of weird because if you saw the top of the Cali die, it almost looked like it had too much material on it instead of too little. But that did seem to be one of the problems I was having. And I can already tell you from the looks of this one so far, it looks much better than the other one did. So that we're definitely on the right path. I mean, again, at the end of the day, I'm happy that it prints, you know. Everything else you can sort out. Mechanically, it appears to be sound. But we'll wait until this is done, then we'll pull it off. See what we got. Okay, so this is done. My Voron cube. It definitely looks better than the Cali die did. Still a little bit of stringing. Probably had to mess with the retraction settings a little bit. Figure that out. Shouldn't be too big of an issue. Definitely looks better though than the other one did. Definitely looks better. Now, obviously, you know, there's been almost no tuning here, other than setting our flow. But hey, it works. So happy. Happy printing. Thanks for watching.